Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and a split folding rear seat. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.